Two of the richest builders on Earth. Same planet, totally different wealth engines. Let's compare Musk versus Bezos. This isn't gossip or fanboy talk. It's about patterns, ownership, risk, and time horizons, how wealth gets built. Here are 7 differences. Each one changes your decisions and your odds, whether you're building a company or investing. Musk's story screams concentrated ownership. Big stakes tied to a few massive bets with extreme upside and swings. Bezos is more one core machine. Amazon ownership built the base, then cash flow and scale did the heavy lifting. So it's concentration versus flywheel. One feels like a rocket launch, the other feels like compounding logistics. If your wealth depends on one moonshot, you'll ride violent waves. If it's a flywheel, you grind, then snowball. Big fortunes are often paper wealth. The question is liquidity. How easily can that value become cash without breaking things? Musk's liquidity can swing with markets and private valuations. Great on the way up, stressful when timing gets tight. Bezos has tended to sell Amazon shares in more planned, orderly ways, then redeploy into projects and long-term bets. Liquidity is strategy, not because cash is king, because timing is king. Timing decides what risks you can survive. Musk takes binary risk more often. A launch works or it doesn't. A product hits or it doesn't. Bezos tends to prefer portfolio risk. Many small improvements, many experiments, most boring, some huge. Binary risk can create legends fast. Portfolio risk can create dominance quietly. Both can win, different stomach required. If one decision can wipe you out, you're playing Musk-style risk. If you can take 100 shots, you're Bezos-style. So far, ownership engine, liquidity strategy, and risk type. 3 levers that quietly decide your ceiling. Now the part most people miss. Time. Not patience quotes, actual time design in how they build. Bezos is famous for long horizons, building for decades, not quarters. That mindset shows up in everything. Musk also thinks long-term, Mars-level long-term. Yet he runs with extreme deadlines and intensity day-to-day. Both aim at the future. Bezos builds patient systems. Musk compresses time, tries to force the future to arrive sooner. Long horizon isn't motivation, it's design. What you ignore today, what you reinvest, and what you refuse to chase. Musk operates like a product engineer in war mode. Deep dives, hard calls, and brutal focus on technical constraints. Bezos leans into systems, inputs, metrics, mechanisms. Less emotion, more repeatable decision math. Musk squeezes performance through focus. Bezos protects performance through mechanisms. One is intensity, one is design. Most people copy vibes. Copy the mechanism. Pick one metric, one constraint, and one weekly decision ritual. Musk is unusually public-facing. Attention becomes leverage, recruiting, hype cycles, pressure, and storytelling in real time. Bezos is generally more controlled and quieter, less real-time posting, more structured messaging through companies and long plans. Attention can accelerate outcomes or create distractions. The bigger your audience, the harder it is to stay rational. If you need attention to win, design it. If attention hurts you, firewall it. Both choices are strategies. Recap: time horizon, operating style, and attention strategy. Now the last difference: optionality. Optionality means having doors you can open when the world shifts. It's not luck, it's positioning. Musk builds optionality through big side bets, private and public, where one win can rewrite the whole scoreboard. Bezos builds optionality through capital allocation, selling, funding, and investing across ventures while keeping a core anchor. When cycles flip, optionality is survival. One path slows down, another opens. That's how giants stay giants. For you, build one strong base, then add options that don't break you. Optionality without stability is gambling. 7 differences: ownership engine, liquidity, risk type, time horizon, operating style, attention, and optionality. Which approach fits you? Rocket volatility or flywheel compounding? Comment, rocket or flywheel, and I'll pin the best take. You've been watching Wealth Crash and Rise. We don't glamorize the win, we break down the build. Subscribe for the next story.